Good morning, guys. This is Phon-Er Gold. This is vlog 39. Just got a call from Sylmar, California. We are driving there right now to fix a charging port for iPhone 6 and possibly a battery. It's a beautiful day today in Los Angeles. It's amazing, as you can see. Blue sky, beautiful weather, 75. You couldn't ask for more. So it's just a blessing. So we'll be back with you guys soon as we drop there, and stay tuned, don't go anywhere, and we'll do the coverage. Once we get there, you'll enjoy the little repair. It's at a billiard shop. This guy, he owns a billiard shop where he sells the billiard equipment and etc. And by the billiard, I mean pool, or in Asia it's called sleepy or something. But anyways, it's a billiard or pool. So we're in there right now. So we'll be back with you right now soon to show you guys how it goes and put it on bid and just drop it to you guys to check it out and enjoy. Stay tuned, I'll be right back. That's a cut for now, and see you guys soon. Peace. Cut. We're almost there. Crazy thing going on in construction, so they're blocking everything out. I have to go around, and that's the only way to actually get there. Plus a U-turn, legal or not. Pretty crazy. I'm heading down there. Look at the construction. It's huge. Easy. Okay, and I'm here. This is a really big crane, you know? So we are going the Billiards Barstool. That's what it's called. We're gonna park right here. We're here, guys, so come with me and we'll see how this goes down. And enjoy the show, enjoy the music in the background, enjoy the thing. A whole bit. So see you guys soon. Peace. Cut. Hey guys, we're here. Look how beautiful that thing is. Right now. Yeah, I started doing the YouTube vlogging. So what I do is, like, everything that I do, every repair, I throw it on YouTube.
Smart.
Yeah, so people will literally see my kind of like my
work and
digital resume, you know?
yeah. So digital resume plus good marketing tool plus.
Yeah, plus.
Have you become big, like, as far as followers?
Plus also, like, so many pluses.
Yeah.
And then plus, don't forget, like the YouTube. I mean, like, you know about the programming computers. Bro, the best tool, if you have a channel and you use the proper tags, the best way to get a free SEO. Like, when someone types in, like, let's say iPhone repair house call, someone that spends like $1,000 a month with them and gets number 7 or 8.
Yeah.
Or something. I get number 8 organically. That's
organic.
The key is making a lot of videos and putting the same tags again and again and again, because that's how you rank it up. Okay. And then I was able to, let's say if you go to youtube.com and you type in iPhone per house call because you just want to see the experience of how people do it. Mine is like the first like 12 is my, and actually the first 17 is my videos. Nice. So I'm gonna rank that one. Beautiful place, guys. It's all bar supplies, and I'm sitting on this beautiful cool chair. I think we're almost there. Charging. Make sure that it. Yep, it's charging. 50% and charging more is perfect. Okay. So it works. It's good. Plug it now. Wrap it up. Until it gets too hungry, and then use it.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, if you get it to color texture, but I'm just, you know.
Okay.
Yeah. Then what else do we do here? That's about it.
Okay.
I think, bro, you literally extended your life for another like.
Yeah.
Perfect. It all worked out perfectly well. Guys, that's about it. This is Phon-Er. Our goal is vlog 39, and thank you for watching. And that's a cut. That's a wrap. Have a good one.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.